Install a LCD projector. Whether you will be showing a PowerPoint presentation to a client or simply want to watch a film on a large theater-like display, an LCD projector is the display tool of choice. About a decade ago, LCD projectors were considered gold because of the high price, largely due to only a handful of brands manufacturing it. Today, LCD projectors are even cheaper than many desktop and notebook computer brands simply because there are a myriad of brands available and because manufacturing these devices have become more cost-efficient. Installing an LCD projector is really easy as pie. Technically, the process is similar to how you would install a basic computer monitor. That said, you really do not have to be an electronics or computer genius to set it up. Here are the basic steps to install your LCD projector to your computer, be it a desktop or notebook. Disconnect your computer's monitor. This part of the process is only applicable to desktop computers. If you are using a laptop or notebook, you will only have to locate the D-sub-VGA connector located either at the rear or sides of the computer. This is where the cable of the LCD projector will go. For the desktop, disconnect the monitor from the video card at the rear of the computer. Depending on the model of your monitor and video card, you will have either a D-sub-VGA slot, a DVI slot, or an HDMI slot. The most common would be the D-sub-VGA slot. In any case, disconnect the cable from your monitor to your PC. Connect your monitor to the LCD projector. This is actually option should you want a smaller display working. Most LCD projectors will work as a two-way display relay device with one cable connected to the monitor via the video output D-sub slot and one cable to be connected to the computer's video card D-sub slot by way of the video in D-sub slot on the LCD projector. If you do not need the monitor to work with the system as a secondary display, then skip this step. Connect the LCD to your computer. Connect the other end of LCD's D-sub-VGA cable to the LCD's video input and the other end to the video card on your computer. Normally, the port will be in blue so you really can't miss it. Secure both connections with the integrated screws. Power on the LCD project. LCD projectors, from a fresh start, will need to warm up before displaying light through its lens. Turn it on and wait until light is projected on the LCD screen or wall. When it does, set the video to a computer. Sometimes, it will auto-detect the connection once the computer you connected it to is powered on. Now that the LCD projector is on, turn your PC on. Once it boots up, your PC will automatically detect the new display. If you connected your existing monitor, then you will have two displays. Either way, the LCD should be able to project the image from your computer. If not, then consider checking the connection or manipulating the controls of your LCD projector to detect the connection. Some computers may require additional drivers to get the LCD projector detected. If so, find the CD containing the driver that came with the LCD projector and install it on your computer.